I promise to help you optimize your iPhone based on my personal experience, reducing lag by 50 to 100% if you follow these steps carefully. Each step is crucial, so please don't skip the video and watch it until the end. Let's get started. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Make sure to turn off Low Power Mode. Go back to Settings and tap on General. Then, select Software Update and ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest version. Return to Settings, tap on iPhone Storage, and check that your storage usage is below 50%. Exceeding this can cause significant lag. Go back, scroll down, and tap on Background App Refresh. Turn it off completely. Finally, use your iPhone in a cool environment or consider purchasing a cooling fan, which can nearly eliminate lag by 100%. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.